Do you have gray hair? Then stay here, because this video was made for you. Darken your white hair at home with just 2 ingredients. Natural, cheap and very easy. Before I teach you this magic, tell me from which city you are watching this video. For this tip we will need 3 potatoes. We will peel them later, because we will use the peels. We will also need 1 liter of water and 6 sachets of black tea. Black tea is a very important ingredient for darkening your hair. If you want to darken it even more, add more than 6 sachets. Guys, peel the 3 potatoes. After that process, put 1 liter of water in a pot to boil, with the potato peels for 10 minutes. As soon as it boils, you will turn off the heat. Then add the 6 sachets of black tea. Then cover the pot and leave it to melt, to cool. Here it has already cooled down. I am going to remove all the peel from inside the tea, because we will only need the liquid. I have 1 potato cut into small pieces, and I will add it to a blender along with our tea that we prepared. Blend everything very well for 5 minutes. And it's ready. Look at the color it turned out, very top. Wash your hair well. Then remove all the excess water. Apply this tea and leave it for 1 hour. Put on a cap. After all this process, rinse your hair with just water. Do this 3 times a week. The more you do it, the better. You need to do this every week, because then the white hair will not come back. There is no secret, people. Now let me pass on a message that is in Psalms 46. God is our refuge and strength, a very present help in trouble. God is the best refuge in the world, better than any other, remember that, and you can consider yourself safe, and make yourself strong in God. He is a friend in need and a friend indeed. When all is lost, when all is dark, and you can't see the way, still have faith. Thank you for having assisted us so far. It was very important to us. A kiss and see you in the next video. Bye.